This week, we're going to be talking about circles. Okay, so we're starting geometry. There are some extra notes on this little notes sheet that you all will not need, so I put an X over those. Just ignore that. You don't need that information. All right, but so here's your little notes page. We're just talking about the basics of circles. So here's my circle, and the center of my circle has a dot on it, and this line goes from one edge through the center and to another edge, and that's called the diameter. Okay, I also have this circle down here, and it has this line goes from one edge to the center, and that's the radius. So this line's only halfway through the circle. So full way through the circle, diameter, halfway through the circle, radius. Okay, 2. So this radius, if you double it, it will be the diameter. All right, so if you have to find the radius, all they give you is diameter, which I'm going to use D for, this lowercase d. If they only give you the diameter and you need to find the radius, you're going to divide by 2. So you're going to take the diameter and divide it by 2 to find the radius, because the radius is half of the diameter. If you need to find the diameter, you're going to do 2 times R, and that will be equal to diameter. Okay, so that's how you find diameter and radius. And there we go. I forgot that on my notes. How could I forget that? There we go. So that's how you find diameter. There we go. So how you find radius, divide by 2. How to find the diameter, times it by 2. All right, so then you're going to go over. I have the Desmos calculator here for you. I have highlighted. This is a radius. It's halfway through the circle. So the radius is 3. That's given to you. To find the diameter, I'm going to need to multiply. Oops. There we go. I'm going to need to do 3 times 2 to get the diameter, and that is going to be 6. All right, so my diameter is 6 because I'm multiplying my radius by 2. Okay, so now this is the diameter because there's a line going all the way through the circle. So they give us the diameter, which is 92. And to find the radius, I need to divide by 2. So 92 divided by 2. All right, and that will give me 46. So that is my radius. So now that I've done 2 different kinds, you need to define, they give you the radius, you have to find the diameter. They give you the diameter, and I had to find the radius. So I've shown you both ways. Now you're going to finish the rest of the page. Okay? I've linked the calculator if you need it. And that is it for this week besides your probes. So you're doing this and your probes, and that is it for this week.